For day 10, wow, we've made it a third of the way through the month already and I'm still posting daily. I'm sure that'll end soon. Right, we have red wine. And this is the first drawing I think I've done that is sort of what I consider a cop-out. Insofar as I didn't draw something that makes me think of this color or is uniquely this color, such as using yellow for a dump truck or bright primary red for a cardinal. Sure, Converse sneakers and articles of clothing can be this dull reddish maroon color, but it's not something unique or only in this color, like the bright orange of the tiger I did, or the pumpkin from the bright yellow, which was actually a more yellowish orange. But I couldn't think of anything that was this color except, well, wine, since the name of the color is red wine, but it seemed like it would be really boring to draw a glass of wine. I don't know. Anyway, I have here a person sitting wearing Converse sneakers with cuffed pants, and once again, I wanted to make sure the colors were staggered and didn't really touch each other in this image, so I tried to avoid overlapping them. Hence why the cuffs of the pants are the red, the actual pants are black, and the shirt is that striped red and white. It was mostly to keep the colors separated to make more contrast in the image. Honestly, I think this is one of my favorites so far. If you can't tell, and I'm sure you can't because it's very hard to see what's going on, the person is supposed to be sitting there with their right arm, the one on the left, raised like they're waving to someone, and their other arm is down like they're leaning back on it. But I ran out of space on the page to add the waving arm, so that may have been lost in translation from my brain to the actual page. Either way, it's finished now, so that means red wine is check, done. See you tomorrow for the next one.